Welcome back. In this video, we're making buttermilk biscuits. For the dry ingredients, flour, cake flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Grate 1 stick of frozen, unsalted butter, and then add it to the dry. Using your hands, mix until combined, making sure to coat every piece of butter. Cover and place into the refrigerator for 15 minutes, or until the butter is cold. Make a well in the center, pour in buttermilk, mix until a shaggy dough has formed. Flour your work surface area, turn out your dough, roll it into a rectangle, fold it in half like a book, turn 90 degrees, repeat the process 4 to 6 more times. In the end, your dough should be about a ½ inch thick. Using a biscuit cutter, cut your biscuits, bake at 475 degrees for 14 to 16 minutes. Brush with butter while they're still hot, and there we have it, buttermilk biscuits. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.